we're gonna try and make it a fun day. I don't know how much I'm gonna record. Once again, it's a little bit easier to pay attention and spot, especially when we're gonna be leading the trail. We got Derek running middle, Brandon running the gunner. So we'll go ahead and hit the trail here in a minute. We'll get air down once we get to the trailhead. We'll go from there.
The American Adventure, brought to you by the Jeep Corporation. It takes guts to go where no one else goes. Jeep Guts.
Eating a beef stick. We just hit the first creek bed of Jake. I parked Judith up the way. We're hiking down to get back to the group. I think they're already almost up here, so cool.
That front passenger tire, I was bent over pretty good. I was waiting for it to just fall off the bead. Like, don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah. Alrighty. Now passenger. There you go, there you go. Now try and give her a crawl. Yeah, keep on going. It's gonna get. And the little Jeep stick could. You got it. There you go. Nice job. Good job. All right. There you go. All right. Go ahead and try and climb it. You got your lockers on, right? Come a little towards me. A little towards me. Right there will work. All right. Come on up. Erickson, you're good. Go to driver. Keep on going. Now come towards me hard. Come on. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Yes.
Never made it. Only Jeep Cherokee is the triple award-winning 4x4.
Experience it for yourself.
Get in.
Only Cherokee gives you a choice of 2 or 4 doors. Only Cherokee has room for 5 and more cargo space than Bronco or Blazer. And with Cherokee's 2.5-liter power plant, you can get a sunroof at no extra cost.
Now you can have all this.
Only in a Jeep.
The thrill of the wild. One vehicle captures that feeling with the strength and agility to master most any terrain. Nothing stands in its way. Jeep, like nothing you've ever driven.
There's a feeling you can get